This TYM pet feeder has so many awesome features, starting with the fact that it has a spot for food and for water. Having everything in one unit just makes everything so much smoother, and I don't have to worry about my cats knocking the water bowl over or having to refill the food or water every day anymore. The food portion is on a timer, and I will show you how to set that up. And the water section is a gravity feeder, so they just get more water as they drink it, which I also absolutely love because we don't want to be limiting how much water our pets are drinking. This top portion for the food does lock, so you can't accidentally remove the top bin while it's full because the food will spill everywhere. So this is just a really smart feature to keep locked, especially if you have kids. And another thing that's great if you have kids is the top section here to get into the food. It does require that you use 2 fingers to grip together and pull up, which is just a little too complicated for my toddler. Also included in the top section of the food is a slot for a silica gel packet. So this just ensures that your pet's food stays dry and it'll collect any of the moisture that gets in there. And then putting this back on, we just squeeze the top again and set it in place. All right, then I spun this around a little bit so we can see what the water bowl looks like. The water is a gravity feeder and it does hold a pretty significant amount of water. The top here does not come off, but when you take this out, this is what the whole bucket looks like. And then to fill it, we just turn this upside down, remove this, and fill it from the bottom. Let's put it back in. We just put that back on, flip it back upside down, and place it right in there. Each of these food bowls has a stainless steel insert that does come out, so you can easily clean the bowls. And as an added bonus, my cats are not scared of it. And then I will show you how the pet feeder works. So first of all, we have a light. Everything that you need to do to set up or control this entire feeder can be done on the screen. So another one of my favorite features is that the screen does lock, and the only thing that I can actually do when clicking through the buttons is see the meals and the times and portions that they are set for. So I currently have 2 meals set. One, it looks like it's for 10 a.m. at 4 portions, and the second one is for 8 o'clock at 4 portions. It is set in military time. But because it's locked, I can't actually make any changes to any of my settings, which is another bonus for my toddler moms. To unlock the screen, we're just going to long press this bottom button and we'll see the lock go away. We do need to set the time because I moved this to a different location so I can show you how it works. So in order to set the time, I'm going to push this top button and then use our plus and minus here to set whatever time we want. I will say 7:15. Then it's asking for meal 1, what time do we want to feed our animal, or in this case, a cat. So I will adjust this to 7:18. And then it asks us how many portions for meal 1 that we want to give. You can give them anywhere from 1 to 15 portions. I have found that about 4 portions for my 2 cats twice a day is good for them, so I'm going to leave it at 4. And then it goes on to the next meal. So we can set up to 9 meals a day if we would like, and you do that just by clicking through all of your menu options here. Then it jumps to 3, and then when you're done, you can just press this button here. So we can see here that we have 2 meals set. Our next feed time is set for 7:18. It's going to give them 4 portions, and it is currently 7:16. I just emptied out the food bowl so we can see when it turns to 7:18. Then we can see it just turned to 7:18. The light for our screen came on and it is giving my cats 4 portions. This is what that looks like for the size food that I give my cats. It probably will take a little bit of trial and error to understand just how much your cats are eating if you do not have an automatic feeder already, and what portion sizes and how many times a day you would like to feed them. So overall, I really do love this automatic pet feeder. The fact that the food and the water is all in one unit makes everything so convenient. The only thing that I have to worry about is making sure that the bin for the food and water is full, and I really only have to refill them every couple weeks. My family and I just went on a vacation, and we were confidently able to leave our cats knowing that their food and water supply was always going to be here and that it was going to be the same as what they normally do. Previously, when we would leave for vacation, we would set out gravity feeders for the food and always had to worry about the cats eating too much of their food on the first couple days that we were gone and not having enough for the rest of the trip, or even just knocking it over. But this dual feeder is super sturdy. There is going to be no knocking it over. There is nothing for the cats to stick their paws up into to try to get more food. So you also don't have to worry about that. And the gravity feeder for the water just means that they have all the water that they need. And again, that's one less thing that we have to worry about. I have had a TYM automatic pet feeder in the past, and I absolutely loved that. That one was just the food feeder, and we had a separate gravity feeder. But having them combined into one unit is such a luxury that I didn't know I needed. So if you're looking for an automatic pet feeder, either for a vacation or just for your everyday with your pets, I highly recommend checking this one out. Thank you so much to the brand for sending this to me so that I could share it with you.